Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make a half double crochet in crochet. If you look closely, you can see that it's a little bit bigger than a single crochet. If you kind of know what a single crochet looks like, it's a little bit taller than a single crochet, but not quite as tall as a double crochet. This is a really, really good stitch to know, just in general. It's in a lot of amigurumi patterns, and so I'm going to show you really quick how to do it very slowly. The first thing that I want to show you is how to do it in a row instead of in a round. Rounds are really easy to do it in, but a row is a little bit more difficult because at the end of a row, you have to chain to start the next row. So for this one, you can chain one if you'd like. Chaining two is preferable though, just so you have that extra space, because half double crochets, half double crochets are just about as tall as two chains. Okay, you chain two, you turn your work over. This one I've already done a row of half double crochets, so I'm going to show you how to do the rest of them. You're going to wrap the yarn around your hook. Your hook is going to be facing upward. Turn it down when you're putting it inside this stitch. So whatever is the first stitch, you're going to insert it into that stitch. You're going to wrap the yarn around again. Make sure that you're tipping. So make sure that you're tipping your crochet hook downward when you're hooking it so that it doesn't just fall off. And you kind of have to maintain that tension. Just hold on to the hook. The rotation of the hook is the most important part. As you're crocheting, you're going to be turning your hook like this, but it's like a movement kind of like that, okay? So you wrap the yarn around the hook. You're going to pull the yarn through that loop. So now you have 3 loops on your yarn. So you're going to have the yarn that you wrapped around, and then the yarn that you just pulled through, okay? You're going to wrap the yarn around the hook again, turn it down, and then pull it through 1 loop, 2 loop, 3 loops. You're going to pull it through all 3 of those loops. I'm going to show you it again one more time, and then I'm going to show you how to do it fast. Wrap the yarn over the hook, turn it down, insert it into the next stitch, wrap the yarn around the hook, turn it down, pull the yarn through the loop, through the stitch. Hook is pointing up now. Wrap the hook around the yarn, turn it down, pull it through all 3 loops. Turn it back up. So you're doing kind of this turning motion where you're turning it down, putting it in, wrapping it around, turning it down, pulling it through. Every time you're pulling it through something, you're pointing it down. So every time you're pulling something through or putting something in, you're going to be turning your crochet hook, okay? Turn. You get faster and faster at it as you practice, okay? And that is a row of half double crochets. If you have any other tutorials that you want to see about how to double crochet, single crochet, any of the above, we have those on our website. They're available for you to see on our website, on our YouTube, on any of the places where you can find us. We also have a social media that you can look at. We have funny videos on there, good tutorials, and just lots of yarn and stuff. If you want to get this yarn is a very pretty rose color. Not quite red rose, but like musty rose color. If you want to get this color, you can get that on our website. We sell yarn, we sell crochet kits. They can also help you learn how to crochet cool things like plushies or any other things that you want to learn how to crochet. We have tons of patterns on our website and lots of other resources for crocheters. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Let us know if you have any questions down below, and see you next time. Happy crocheting!